Today we want to discuss about finding the length of a string. How to find the length of the string using program. Write a program to find the length of a string. Length of a string. Write a program to find the length of a string. For that, we are taking as a input. We are taking as a string as a input, and after that we will find the length of the string. Now we include some header file. One is standard input output header file. Hash include std stereo dot h header file. Second one header file will be including string dot h. Include string dot h header file. It include the string related individual function using in my program. One file is std.h, second one is string.h, is a header file which has the definition of some predefined functions related to string. Now, in main, for representing a string, we use a character array. Character str is my string of size 50. Str is a character array which holds maximum 50 characters, and each character's type will be tag. This one is the maximum length. Here, maximum size of the array is 50. We can enter up to 50 characters of a string. Now, in I equal to 0 for indexing, and initially the length of the string will be 0. Len equal to 0. I for indexing and len for length of the string. Initially we are not calculated, so we initialize the value 0 to length level. And now enter a enter a string. In that case, get function will be used for inputting string into a memory. Then get function will be used for the reading string from the console and stored in the memory in which location str. Str is a string array. So str is a string, a name of the array which holds the base address of the array. The definition of get function will be available in the string file. And now, while str of I not equal to null character. while str of I, the value of I is 0, means the string, the first character of string is not null. Then we increment the length. In that case, length equal to length plus 1. And index I equal to I plus 1. Index is also increasing. So initially I, the value of I is 0, str of 0 location, 0 index. If the value is not null, then if the value of not null means any character available in the string str of 0 index. In that case, length equal to length plus 1, and the index is also incremented to I equal to I plus 1 will be positive in the next index. This condition, the value of I will be incremented after that the str of I means the str of index 1. The value is not equal to null, then calculate the length equal to length plus 1. Again, the index I equal to I plus 1. The index I equal to I plus 1, it will give the index of the next location. And until this loop will continue until this condition will be false. At last, enter back selection will be representing the new line character. Length of string equal to percentage D LEN. Now we want to try to understand output. Try to understand here. From a example, enter a string. This information display on the screen. Enter a string. Enter a string whenever you are entering a string Khagaria. The Khagaria will be stored in the string array. And we are taking a string array Khagaria. Zero index, first index, second index, third index, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh index. Means index is representing value of I. Value of I is 0, 1, 2, 3. The name of the array is str. Name of the array is str. This location would be SPR of, the value would be SPR of 0. This one will be SPR of 1. Here. This thing is stored in the SPR area in this manner. Now, SPR of 0 location, the value is not null. In that case, length, the value of length will be 0 plus 1, length will be 1. For the K, length equal to 1. The value of I, this is I. The value of I 0, so I equal to 0 plus 1. Now I equal to, the value of I equal to. After that, SPR of 1. The value of I is 1. SPR of 1. SPR of 1 means the index 1, the value, the array value is index 1. Index 1, the value of index 1 will be 4kx. SPR 0 location, SPR of 1, the value 1 location, k, the length will be 1 plus 1, 2, length equal to 2, or I equal to 4 SPR 2 equal to, what is the value of SPR 2? SPR of location 2, A, length equal to 3, I equal to 3. In this manner, SPR 3 equal to SPR of 3 location, the value is B, length equal to 4, I equal to 4, SPR 4, the SPR of location 4 is A, length equal to 5, I equal to 5, SPR equal to 5, SPR of location 5 is R, SPR of location 5, the value is R, and length equal to 6, I equal to 6. SPR of location 6, index 6, the value of location index 6 is the value, array value at index 6 is I, length equal to 7, and I equal to 7. I is the SPR 7 location equal to A, I equal to. If we look at last still look at index 7, the value is A. Up now the value in index 8, SPR of 8 is, this one is the blank, means null character equal to backslash 0. Backslash 0, index case, this condition will be false. Whenever the condition will be false, total length will be calculated previously, length equal to x. Whenever the condition, this condition will be false, the loop control will be moved to the out of the while loop, and the next, and it will include the last after We will execute the next statement here. Printed length of the string is length of string equal to 8. We have calculated it. And now you want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Length of string will be 8. Thank you for watching this video.